Bonjour and welcome to Friendship Your Day. Today is our third day of the 10 days French challenge. Tell me, how is it going? Comment ça va? Ça va bien? Super? Mal? Or is it bof? Moyen? I really hope that it is going well. Très bien and super. Bon, now let's start with today's objective, which is how to say your name in French, but also how to ask the question. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. My name is, in French, is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. D'accord? So let me introduce myself. Je m'appelle Charlène. Je m'appelle Charlène. Et vous? Et vous? And you? Okay, if you want to ask the full question, what is your name? You can say comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? All together? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, that's it for today. A really short video to learn how to say je m'appelle et vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Voilà, see you tomorrow. À demain. Au revoir. That's it for today's challenge. Have fun practicing at home, and if you like this video, don't hesitate to follow me on Facebook with Friendship Your Day or on YouTube, but also don't hesitate to like the video or share it with friends. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. À demain. Au revoir.